Alright, I've got my Whirlpool washer and dryer, and I've got a pretty heavy load of jeans. Mostly I think there's quite a few pair of pretty heavy jeans in there. It's going through the wash cycle right now. As you can hear, it sounds great. It's got a real strong agitation. Both of these are very clean. Sounds good. Over here on the dryer, I'll turn it on just so you can hear it. So even with both of these running, they're both quiet, sound good. Nothing's off balance or shaking or anything like that. And what I'm going to do is allow this to finish up, and I'll come back and show you the spin cycle when this gets all the way over to here and actually goes full blast spinning. That way you can hear it's nice and balanced on the spin cycle as well. Then we'll actually move those clothes over to the dryer so you can hear the dryer with a full load of clothes. Real quick though, I wanted to show you that it is heating like it's supposed to. So little temperature gun here tells you the surface temperature, whatever that red light's on. And we're gonna shoot it. I mean, you can see the red. So that tube right there gets pretty hot. That is where the heating element's right about down here, and the heat comes up through that tube. And then the inside of your dryer get anywhere from 100 to 195, just kind of depends on what you have it set to. There's time dry, automatic dry with high heat, automatic dry with low heat, so that's kind of like a delicates. And then there's also air fluff. So both of these are super capacity, so they're going to handle pretty heavy loads, large loads, very easily. Lots of options on both, and they work great. So we'll come back for that spin cycle, let you hear that, and we'll move over to the dryer. Okay, now we're coming into that final spin cycle. It's draining out all the water right now. It's going to take just a sec to get up to full speed once all that water's out. So we'll come right back for that. That little noise you're hearing is actually my drain hose back here. So that's because I don't have it secured. It's just kind of flopping around, but just so you know, that's what that little knocky noise is. I've been meaning to secure that, but anyway, as you can see, it's nice and smooth. It's running great. No weird noises or anything like that. And it is spinning really fast, and that's a pretty heavy jeans load. So I'll show you real quick. There you go, spinning nice and fast. You're not really supposed to do that, but for the purpose of testing, that way you can see the lid switch works also. So let that finish up, and then I'll get those moved over and show you the dryer. Okay, got those pulled out of the washer. That's nice and cleaned out there. Got everything tossed down in there. We'll close that up. We're just going to do time dry. As you can hear, it sounds great. Smooth operation. So like I said, the purpose of this video is so that you know what you're buying, what you're spending your money on. Take it home, plug it in, everything's going to work like it's supposed to. So if you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking time to watch this video, and have a great day. Thanks.